What is up? What is up, everybody? What's up, Nell? Let's get it. Are we rich yet? Nah, probably not. A lot of people out there still not rich. A lot of people. Vast majority, even. So Bitcoin right now is being held down. Your 1 hour is basically indicating it does want to rally. It's just, goodness gracious, on the weekly we've been finding a lot of resistance, and I mean like a lot of resistance at that last weekly candle close, if I drew that correctly. Holy shit. All right, at the last weekly candle close, finding tons of resistance right there, which we are a little overbought on the weekly, so if we do start pulling back, it wouldn't be weird. Would not be weird at all. But trying to figure out where the pullback could go, that's the tough part. So we could use our fibs here. Could use the fibs. Basically see where we went. Oh, would you look at that? Huh. Go figure. So if we were actually to break past that and stay above it, right now we're trying to utilize that 96,128 as support. That's crazy. 87k incoming. That would be dropping down to our 786. That would be hyper bullish if it did that. Could be happening. Very much could be happening. I think the traders are going to try and hold on until the end of tomorrow, just to end the week with some strength. Maybe some altcoins, they're going to settle up, maybe get them a little bit higher, but I'm noticing a lot of cooling off. I saw Shiba Inu manage to start the day out just running up, and then it's getting instantly sold off. Kind of sucks. I don't know what CTC is, but this thing's up 20% on the new day, so that's kind of crazy. But anyways, if we manage somehow, some way to hold our support here, we could see 125, so I guess that's where people are getting that number from. Actually, I take it back. Everybody was talking about 109. 109 to 110. Something like that. But I'm seeing 125. Craziness. Well, yeah, if a pullback does start, I would first be looking at 86,000. Second, I would be looking at 78,144. 78,144 looks really good for entries. We will see if it happens. Kind of doubt it, but weirder things have happened. Well, yeah, being overbought on the weekly, it's never fun. Having bearish divergence on the weekly is even worse. Bearish divergence on the weekly. We finished this week with a red candle. I'm going to be thinking 78,144 coming in hot. Even as low as 72,589. That's really what I would think. And then toward the end of the month, we'd probably rally right back up. But yeah, looking at your daily, bearish divergence seems to be playing out. We could start seeing that fall. It's a possibility here. Possibility. The fact that we made a high and then we got our first lower high, that's rough. That is rough. 50 simple moving average is all the way down at 79,726. So that kind of sucks. Check Gary Network. Sure, we'll check it out. Just understand if Bitcoin does pull back, it's gonna be a little rough for these altcoins. Gonna be a little rough. I don't think the pullback's coming tonight. Probably not even this week. But could be coming soon. Could be. A pullback's possible. Especially as companies start reallocating their funds and moving stuff around, being weird. Could happen. Alright, since we did end the month, we're going to be going over all of our large cap coins. We're going to look at the monthly. So Bitcoin this month, understand what it did. It went up 37% in a single month. That's absolutely insane. That is a great month for BTC. Let's check out BNB. So BNB token, you can see it pathetically went up 13% in comparison to Bitcoin's 37%. So everybody's like, "Oh, the big caps are moving." Oh, were they? Maybe a couple, but not this one. CRV when you get a chance, please. All right. Try not to make the list too big, guys. I will forget. I will forget. So yeah, BNB, I guess decent month. Yo, what's up? What's up, Ethan? Let's check out Dogecoin. Dogecoin tried to start off the new month looking good, but you went 160% last month. Moonvember, baby. Moonvember, 160%. Completely in the cards to come down and test 34 cents. Completely in the cards. Would not be weird whatsoever. We'll just see what the traders have in store here. We will see. Alright. So, moving right along, let's go to Ethereum, the ugly stepchild. What did it manage to pull off? It pulled off 47% upside. It actually outperformed Bitcoin. So anybody who wants to talk crap about Ethereum, understand, last month it did better than Bitcoin. Yo, what's up, Savage? How you doing? How you doing? So Ethereum, and noted, this mainly came in like the last 2 weeks. So coming from behind, biggest gainer so far for the month of November out of the large caps is Ethereum. Do you think market will pull back? It's a new month, so I would expect it. I don't expect the pullback to start today necessarily, but come Monday, I would expect it. Add any positions you on. I'm not on any positions right now because it's a new month and I don't know what the market's going to do. And luckily I got out of my trades because everything started falling. Like literally everything. It's a bare moon too? Wait, what? A bare moon? Okay. Those moon phases, they'll get you. Alright, so that's Ethereum. Let's go check out Solana, and then we'll look at Sui. I thought Sui was going to run. It got yanked right back into its structure. It was like, ooh, that hurts, but whatever. Alright, Solana. Where you at, Sol? Solana on the month. So everybody's saying Solana's the darling of the market. Let's see how it did. 40% upside. Ethereum did better than Solana in the month of November. Yep, let that sink in, everybody. Let that sink in. Ethereum performed better than Solana in the month of November. Yep. Just let you sit on that one. And then Sui over here, which is pulling back harshly. Which noted, your supports are so low. They're so very low. ETH did it in a sneaky way. I guess so. Santa hat ripping. Now, Sui here might have been the demon. 76% on the month. Oh my goodness. Absolute demon mode. However, keep in mind, on the monthly time frame, Sui can pull back all the way to 193 before it finds support on the monthly. That's scary. That's actually scary. Wow, wow. So yeah, we do have another month in the books. Now we just kind of have to look around and see what we can get into, what could be pulling back, what could be starting its rallies, and yeah, we'll go from there. Anyways, let's start diving into some of these requests. I'm going to be looking at most things starting from the daily. The daily will send us to the promised land. Since it is a new month, just expect a lot of daily indicators to try to reset. Just expect it. Alright, we're going to check out Gary, then CRV. You want to check out Not? Okay. So is buying low good even though your buying price changes? Yes. That's the point of dollar cost averaging. Yes. Yeah, that's Gary. Alright, so Gary was trying to start moving up, and now it's running into some issues. But Gary on the daily does look pretty darn solid. Let's go down to your 4 hour. 4 hour, it has a lot left to be desired. Or trying. Can you explain further? Sorry, I'm baked. Well, if you're buying low, it doesn't really matter how much the price fluctuates because you're expecting the price not to go much lower than where you're buying. So over time, it will gain value. So yeah, buying low, even though the price could drop maybe 5, 10, even 15% lower, is still better than trying to buy the top. So yeah, buying low is still good. IMAX is breaking out or trying. Thank you. Nope, no problem, honest. So 4 hour, a lot left to be desired. I don't like the high stochastic, especially starting a new month, so you're going to want that to reset. Let's check your 1 hour. 1 hour needs to reset as well, so Gary might be struggling in the coming hours. I would wait and see what ends up happening, because there's going to be somebody out here that redrew this like this and would be looking for a backtest. So be careful. Also, when you broke out, you never backtested 949. So if you manage to get a test down there, that would be much better. If you're trying to get into a new trade right now, very risky. Very risky. But you are currently on an uptrend. If you are currently in a trade and it breaks this uptrend, get out. Just get on out, buddy. I'm expecting a lot of leverage plays to get absolutely demolished in the coming hours. So just what I'm thinking. So that's Gary. Let's go ahead and check out, what was the next one? CRV. So CRV, awesome movement. It looks like it's trying to get up to that 78-cent level. Hopefully Bitcoin doesn't hold it back because you're almost there. You're almost there, but you are overbought on the 1 hour. Let's go out to the 4 hour. 4 hours overbought as well. That's too bad. Let's go ahead and check the daily. And the daily's overbought. So you're really overbought right now. You could see a bit of consolidation, but understand what CRV did. You were in this beautiful falling wedge pattern, and you've broken out. You do have a price target that is going to probably take a while to get there, or it's going to take all month. We don't really know, but the idea is that you're going to go up possibly to $1.47 which is 268% upside. How can you tell if you are overbought? Your relative strength down here is all the way at the top. When it's up here at the top in the green, you know that you're overbought, McLovin. You can see it right there. The relative strength should not be above this little box here. I'm thinking about closing like 5 of your 10 longs. 3 of them are soul. That's wild. That's a lot. What indicator is that, though? It's called the relative strength. Relative strength index. So it's gauging the strength of the buyers. When you start getting overbought, you'll notice the price starts doing weird stuff. No problem. No problem, McLovin. So yeah, let's pray CRV can make it to overhead resistance at 78.33. If you break it, your next target is to get the measured move up here at $1.47. And right now, based off the trend, let's anchor it right here, go to the high, down to the low. If you get a pullback, you're looking to hold anywhere between 6.435 and 6.059. If you come back down to the 6.059, that might actually be an entry for anybody trying to get in. But you can see how the continuation, you found a lot of resistance at the 69.15. Tons of resistance. So if it does pull back, you're going to be alright. You're going to be alright. Alright, let's see RV. What do we got next? IMX. Immutable X. Immutable X is currently broken out. You are looking to get to 262. We will see how it does. Currently, it looks like the most bullish thing in the market because everything else is red around it on my watch list. But it is trying to push up. It's trying its best. Your 1 hour has indicated you can rally. Your 4 hours showing that you can possibly keep going. Possibly. You're not overbought yet. Your daily is entering overbought territory. So be careful. Just hopefully you maintain above 189, just like I said yesterday. So we will see how it goes. Gonna check ADA next. ADA, is that a double top? Yikes. If that's a double top, we might see ADA come down to 77.76. But if it turns out not to be a double top, 132 still in play. But that's starting to look like a double top. And this is the problem I have with XRP, XLM, ADA, Algo. All of them did this straight line nonsense. Your pullback could get nasty. It could get absolutely nasty. I mean, at first you would be looking for a 50% retrace, and your 50% is at 7388. If you stop at the 618, 80, yeah, we'll just split the difference. 7776. If you pull back, you are going there. You're completely overextended on the daily, is what it is. Everyone's way over bullish on XRP again. It makes me laugh. Yeah, it's okay, because now we got a bunch of people basically saying I'm an idiot for not buying it right now. I'm missing out. I'm whatever. And I'm like, I could care less. When it pulls back, that's when everybody's going to be like, oh, well, I didn't see it coming. And it's going to be like, I said it would pull back. What do you mean? I said it out loud. Don't care what the price is doing today. Don't give a damn. Like, I missed the first pump. And noted, that's another thing. When you see pumps like this is the reaction from Trump getting elected. That's the reaction. That's the impulse. You need to form a structure. You need a structure. So then people are willing to buy in. Otherwise, no one's going to touch it. It's going to be the same people pumping it to the moon. And guess what? As soon as one person outside of that group buys it, they're dumping it on their head. Soon as retail enters, dumping it on their head. You bought a very small amount before it got delisted on Coinbase 2021, around 45 cents, but I could care less about getting more. Yeah, I don't really like it. But Algorand followed in its footsteps. It partnered up with a bunch of different banks also. So it is what it is. Glad I took some profits this morning on ADA and XRP. Smart move, Manny. Smart move. I know there's a lot of people willing to do the round trip. So I wish them all the best of luck. As we had someone come in last night, they mentioned they have a 5-year plan in mind. And I was like, wow, for crypto? That's ballsy. That's really ballsy. On an altcoin? That's ballsy. Everybody has their own style. They all got their own style, and it's fine. It's just, whew. If you see the impulse up, do not chase the green candles. Wait for it to come down. Just wait. It'll do it. I promise. It went up way too fast. Algorand, we're going to be looking at 28 cents, hopefully. Unless it breaks above and it gets up to 62, then we could look at it coming down to 36. Guy with a 5-year plan needs a pep talk? Nah. All I can do is just teach. You guys are all going to do what you want. That is all that's going to happen. So let's see what this thing did trend-wise. This is absolute insanity what Algo did. And then we'll go look at XRP, see what it did. Wow, you hit the 1618 almost perfectly. Holy shit. So ideally, you're going to come back down to 33.17. If you can hold that as support, awesome. But a 786, way more likely. And see how beautifully that lines up with your support level? That's amazing. That's actually amazing. So yeah, that's 786. I'll be looking for that. That'll be really nice. And then we'll have a new trend to go off of. Where's your support for CAS? Let's find out. Support for CAS is at 14432. 14432. I still believe CAS is going to go up to 18995 though. CAS put in the hard yards already. CAS also, from its high down to its low, got down to your 382, more than a 50% retrace, and then you caught a bounce. Would really suck, but yeah, as long as you hold 144.321, you should be okay for that upside. No idea how long it's going to take. No idea. But it is looking like on this new day / new monthly candle, a lot of sellers. A lot of people taking profit so far. That could change like in the middle of the night, but we'll see. I was disappointed in my mover because mover just disrespecting the TA. Pulling back. Had to get out of my trade. What a shame. What a shame. can see it right there. We broke out, pulled right back down by our hair. Oh, so terrible. So terrible. Alright, we gotta check out Not Coin before I forget again. I know somebody asked for Not, so let's look at it. Not looks like it's doing its best to hold support right now. If you lose that support, this could get really bad. Could get really bad. This is where, like, you know, last week when I was looking for shorts, this is where that short idea might play out. Just maybe. Because, holy shit, you got into my little green zone. This thing could come all the way back down to find support if a pullback happens. Otherwise, if you get another breakout, you're looking at 14,395. I know deep down all of you are like, God, he's so bearish all the time. No, I just know the market was pretty damn hot. So I was looking for shorts. Didn't know they'd wait till the end of the month. Those 3 longs on Sol, ADA, XRP, profit. Yo, what's up, HQZ? How you doing? Yeah, I even had to get out of my Pang trade. I bought more, though. I did buy more, but we lost support. I don't like that. Check out ApeCoin. Didn't ApeCoin break out today? Yeah, Ape broke out. The problem on this breakout, you fell below, you popped up, you never backtested. Likely that it comes down to backtest. If you get that backtest at 135.7 and you hold it, I mean, even if it gets that low, because noted, you are uptrending right now. Like, there's a distinct uptrend here. So testing something seems like it's in the cards at this moment. But $2 to $2.30 are your next targets. Ape's looking pretty interesting, not gonna lie. Going out to the daily time frame though, you can see how it's just chugging along, creating this nice little U shape. If it's gonna be a cup and handle, you're gonna expect a back test, probably anywhere between 135 and 128. We will see. We will see what unfolds. Alright, SHIB looks like it, honestly, like, new day, it was up 11%. I was like, oh, SHIB's doing it. I'm not going to ape into just yet. That's funny. Oh, by the way, guys, we are under 1,000 viewing hours away from getting memberships and super chats. So I appreciate everybody for not only showing up every day, but sticking around. Those viewing hours really do matter. They really do matter. So thank you all. So yeah, SHIB, I mean, we've been waiting for it for months to hit the measured move. Maybe we'll get it finally. Just maybe. Maybe it'll happen tomorrow. I don't know. But goodness gracious, this thing has been so very slow when it hit this level of resistance. So much supply there that had to get taken out. Absolutely insane. Ape is a weird one because their NFT project is still crushed, so I'm curious to see if people buy it back up. Just remember, this is still mainly institutions. Retail is like the real retail. They're still not here. We're still waiting for the real retail. You were looking for the membership last night and you still couldn't find it? Wait, are you talking about inside of Discord? Does my Discord look different than yours? Because my Discord, it's like, if you scroll to the very top above the welcome where it says like members, go to server shop. And then you can see that. But anyways, we're gonna be getting the members here on YouTube pretty soon, so that'll be nice. And they operate a lot like the subscriptions on Twitch. Any metrics that tell when retail is interest is going up? Normally people check out Google Trends. The YouTube channel membership, but now I know you're still 1,000 hours away. It's not quite 1,000. I'm close though. Let me actually check real quick. I'll get an exact number. We are 595 hours away. 595 hours away. It's close. We're getting there. By the way, guys, don't forget to hit up the likes. We got 20 people viewing, only 7 likes. I feel like we can do better. I feel like we can do better. All right, let's go ahead and check out Pepe. So Pepe did recently break out, which is great, but what the heck is going on with the sell pressure? What is going on? Are we finally going to get a back test? Are we? Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, if Pepe decides not to get that back test, we could see Pepe rise up to all-time highs at 2955. That is a possibility. If we go from a trend standpoint, let's see what it has done. Oh, you're so close to that 1618. You almost touched it. Oh, that's so close. So who knows? Maybe you're going to stall out right at that 1618. Oh, boy. We're going to have to wait and see. Look like Shiba's starting to get some bids again. This is nice. This is nice. Let's check out our ADA one more time. Hit me, baby, one more time. So I believe the 15-minute will give us the idea of what's going on when it comes to ADA and other things that are overbought. But look at this double top here. Holy. Double tops are actually very dangerous. Great places for price to turn around and start trending in the other direction. So just keep that in mind. And then on top of that, you did have this uptrend here that you are now broken down from. Let's see if we get a bearish backtest or not. Your bet is that ADA outperforms XRP? Interesting. Have you ever stopped to think the real reason retail isn't here yet? Maybe because they have all turned into bots and very few of us are actually main charters? Maybe, who knows? Remember, smash the like. What's up, Trade? What's up? How you doing? Alrighty. So anywhere between the 619 and the 786. We could see 6 to 10% downside. Absolutely wild. Possibilities there. The possibility is there. I don't like seeing uptrends break. I really don't. What I'm hoping happens is something sort of like this, where we just test that 50 and then we pop up and then we break the resistance. That would be nice. Just continue going up all the time, like the stock market. Blast, trying to catch some bids again. Hold on, what's Bitcoin doing? Is Bitcoin catching bids? Okay, Bitcoin's below resistance now. No, it's not below resistance. Hold on. What is that? What is that level? What is this thing? Oh, it's below 96,128. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Support's all the way down there. Sheesh. What would you guys do if you saw a 10% drop on Bitcoin? What would you do? Would you say it was expected? That's crazy. You'd buy the dip, Manny? Smart move. Smart move. Dogecoin started the new day up 3%, and then it got sold off completely in the worst type of way. Oh, sorry, that's dog. Whoops. Doge was up 3%. Now it's negative 50.52. Still, so sad. Oh no. That's real resistance. Oh no. Oh no. Is Doge about to come down 9%? I'm willing to take the gamble. Why not? I already got Doge chart up right here. Let's see. Let's see what Doge does. Short. You know, new day jitters, new month jitters. I'm just going to try and help all of you pump your bags right now. Because as soon as I buy, it turns into support. Yo, what's up, Pimosa? Do you think it's going down? Are we shorting? I just put a short in. Hey, babe. Hey, babe. Alright. Yep. Love you. Bye. Is there even any use for Doge long run or just a meme? It's the meme of all memes. It's literally a meme. I think it's going down. I think there's a reallocation happening, but also on the 4-hour time frame, this is a very ugly candle. Going out to your 1 hour, it has the same ugliness. You tried to pump up and you're getting sold off. So I'm thinking the downside is starting to happen right now as the new month has started. I'm betting we're going to get a 50% retrace here on the trend to the downside. So yeah, I'm thinking it's going to go down. 37877. 37877. Whoops. 43849. 43849. Oh, that's scary. 43765. There we go. 437. 437. 437. That is a 90%. Oh my god. We're gonna have to keep our eyes on Doge. That would suck to lose 90%. That would actually really suck. Oh well. 37877. 37877. 37877. 37877. All right, this is for 190%. Cool. Cool. What's up, Gap Filler? How you doing? How you doing, Gap Filler? So yeah, Dogecoin, it's nothing against Doge. It's not that I think it's a bad project. I just really don't like seeing the fact that you fell down, you made a lower high, significantly lower high, tried several times to break out of it, and you couldn't. Now you're starting to sell off. You have this uptrending level of support that you are breaking down from right now. The breakdown is the biggest problem. So what could very well happen is this thing underperforms to the downside. You find support at the 382, and then it bounces and continues up. You could even find support right here at the, what is this, 236, which would be a significantly low retracement. Significantly low. But you could find a lot of support here, then bounce to the upside. It's possible. But yeah, I'm thinking if the trend is going down, like this trend just continues to the downside, we should see at least a 9.6% move to the downside. At least. Your 4 hour is basically saying, yeah, bro, we can go down. It's fine. But we will see how much of a downtrend it is. As long as we stay below this trend line, it's going down. Shiba just ran. Wouldn't you think Doge would run? See, you say Shiba just ran, but on the new day, Shiba went up 11% and instantly pulled back. Now it's only up 6%. Anyone who chased that green candle already got screwed. Just already. So we're going to see if SHIB can make it to its measured move right now, but it's pulling back as I'm speaking. Like, it is coming down. If you don't believe me, look at this wick. Look at that wick on the 4 hour. We can go into the 15-minute and you can see what's happening here. You're just drawing down. Just trying to catch some bids, trying to keep this rally alive, but the market is pulling back. USDT market cap holding stable. USDT was minted today. That's good. I'm guessing there will be a lot of buying, especially this month. Because historically, Santa Claus Rally, really good. Santa Claus Rally is really good. But that doesn't stop markets from moving. That's all I'm doing. These are just scalp trades. I'm not like, oh, it's going to keep going down forever. As I mentioned before, this thing could get a pullback of like up to 9%, and then it just starts shooting up again. And then everybody would be like, oh, it fell 9%? Never would have guessed. It's like, yeah, went 9%, no big deal. And also, we utilized this level at the 382 as support before. If we fall down there and we hold it as support again, it's likely. Andy's going up. I mean, yeah, I can see some green on these charts. I understand some things are going to go up. Yo, what up, fan? What's up, Curtis? How you doing? What non-financial advice do you have for coins that actually have a use to them that would be worth non-financially getting involved in them? Buy them. If they have a use case, understand they're going to do very well, especially for this next year. Just buy them up. Enjoy. I just personally like to use a strategy when it comes to my buying. I want to make sure I don't buy high. That's my only thing. I don't want to buy high. If I'm buying high, I'm doing it wrong. Yeah, this 15-minute now wants to rally. Thanks, Dogecoin, for being so weird. Thanks a lot. So if this is just a liquidity grab out of Dogecoin, this is going to be the most frustrating liquidity grab ever. And I'm going to want to know about it. So if we break back above, there it is. That, I want to know about it. And then I'm probably going to go straight into mover. Kevin, hey brother, can you check XLM? Sure. I think we need to look at Andy first. We'll go to Andy. Alright, so Andy, it managed to hit overhead resistance, sold off. It's trying to get back up there again. Let's check the daily. Daily does want to rally. You're up 5% on the new day. Not bad. Check the 4-hour. 4-hour wants to rally as well. This one wants to go. Wants to go. Something like that. Yep, something like that. You're on a breakout right now. So Andy ETH trying to get back up to that resistance level, and then we'll see what happens after that. Because I believe you go into price discovery. Yeah, you go into price discovery if you break it, pretty much. 32990 is your high. Oh boy, is your high. But yeah, Andy ETH, 4-hour says you're going to go up. 4 hours says it. Hey, babe. I'm all good. Sure. Love you. Bye. Andy on base or Andy on ETH? It is Andy on ETH. Dips are still for buying until I see market cap crash, in my opinion. True. I think dips are meant for buying all the way till the end of next year. This time next year, literally this time next year, we're just focused on buying. Buying the dip. Alright, going to XLM, currently down 5.3%, losing support. That's too bad. Who would have seen that coming? No. Not XLM. It's supposed to go up forever. If you continue falling, you might actually test some level of support. So sell Doge, got it. HQZ, I would never tell you what to do. I'm currently underwater on my trade. If anything, I just set the bottom. Alright? With my short alone, I just set the bottom for Doge. You're welcome. Everyone, you are welcome. Thanks to me, 57 cents will be printed. Weekend slump? What? Curtis, did you look at the prices yesterday? We've been in the weekend. What do you mean? No, I think prices are going to hold up very well until Monday. Because we still have to end the weekly candle. Nobody wants a weekly candle to look like a shooting star. It's not a good look, especially if you want new people to come into the space. It's not a good look. So yeah, look at that. I alone am helping all of the Doge holders to make sure this thing actually breaks resistance. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. I'm taking one for the team. As soon as I bought, that price turned around. As soon as I shorted, that price straight up. It's like, nope, can't do it. We're going up, baby. It's like, okay. Yeah, so XLM, kind of the same idea. I would think about shorting right here. You probably want to go long. 71 cents. That's the target. 71 cents, yep. Probably want to go put the house on it. Surprisingly, didn't realize on the 4-hour you would be touching your 50 simple moving average. I would wait the 52 minutes, just see what happens with XLM. If you lose your 50 on the 4-hour, it's very hard to get back above it. It's very hard. You're more likely to go down and touch that 100. Looking fantastic. Big breakout coming, 100%. Very nice. More money. Very nice. Love to hear it. So yeah, I would wait and see what happens on that 4-hour candle. But yeah, Dogecoin holders, you're all welcome. I stopped the bleeding. Maybe you'll be up 3% in due time. Just like you started the day. Just like you started. I don't know what SNT is. Yeah, even Sand. It oh my god, Sand, it was so funny. I was watching this thing earlier today. I saw it get up here, so I moved my stop loss because I was like, is this about to blue ball me? I was on the 5-minute chart. And literally I was like, is this about to blue ball me? when I saw the first wick, I was like, there's no way. So I put a stop loss right under that wick just to see if it was going to hit my profit taking. It never did. I got stopped out. I was like, what the hell is this? Good thing I got out. Like, good thing I got out. But what a blue ball right there. How close was that? It was within 0.86%. How funny is that? I would have been within 0.86% of taking full profit or getting stopped out pretty much. Nope, yeah, this thing's getting ready. Anybody who has a stop loss sitting at 63.41, you are likely to get stopped out of this. How dumb. Isn't it at a good entry now? I mean, maybe. I don't like the 5 minute having such a high stochastic while you're downtrending. I really don't like that. Just shows further downside could be coming based off the 5 minute dragging it down. 15 minute, you're still not oversold. You're trying to find some bids, but you're just down sloping. Oh man, it doesn't look fantastic. It does not look fantastic. And considering this is also a significantly lower high, I can readjust this trend line out to there, and we'll see if it gets a breakout. We'll see. But doesn't look great. Does not look great considering you had such an amazing 167% rise. Could just be a lot more profit taking. Could be. What about Saga? Let's check it out. I think I have the chart here. Yeah, I do. Let's just peek in on the Doge trade. Oh man, I'm helping out the Doge community so much. Holy shit. I'm helping you guys out so much. Do you see that? I'm down 10%. You're welcome. I'm down 11%. God, you're all welcome. Saga looks fine. As long as it stays above 203.24, it's fine. Let's check the daily. I don't like that. Did you break out? You're literally at like the local resistance. So hopefully it breaks out, but we'll see. Your strength is trending up on the daily, so I would think that you're going up. Congratulations, more money. You set a higher low, that's nice. Oh. If price turns around here, it's showing that the strength is waning on the 4-hour. Your MACD is also showing a lot less buying pressure. That's not great. MACD, that's a sharp drop off. That's bearish divergence. That's not wonderful. That's kind of bad. Let's go ahead and check out the 1-hour. 1-hour, you just got your first red sell here for MACD. Let's see if it holds support. Let's see. But if you do, 299.59 is the target. Otherwise, you could be coming back down to 203. Saga looks strange. Looks strange. Strength-wise, it just looks like you're going sideways. But the price is going up, so it could continue the rally. It just looks strange in my opinion. We'll see. Oh yeah, I saved the Doge community. Look at that. Let's go look at Doge again. By the way, more money. Are you trying to get us to look at PNG? Is that the goal? So it was a fake out to the downside. This is starting to look a lot like a liquidity grab. That is what you call a liquidity grab right there. And if it is, it does come with consequences. This comes with massive consequences where you might see this thing rally like crazy. You're low on your 15-minute. Are you low on the 1? Not as low as I'd like. I think it might pump. It just might. This liquidity grab is a really big deal. Give you your take? I'll check it out. Now, this liquidity grab is actually a really big deal. Let's see what your 5's doing. 5 is interesting. Your 5 minutes basically saying you got a little oversold, but yeah, this, oh my god, this is all the signs of a liquidity grab. Because a lot of stop losses would be sitting right there at 41.37. More of them would be below this. Probably going up. It's probably going up. I'm going to leave the short in for now, but it's probably going to go up. Normally, Shiba follows Doge, but right now, Shiba is taking the show. Shiba's pushing up, and Doge is following behind. So we might see something where Shiba goes up massively, and Doge gets a little bit more profit, but noted, I can get a much better entry on Doge here, and things are starting to move up again. So maybe, just maybe, we're going to be pumping all night, going into the weekly candle close. Just maybe. What's my take profit if long? 57,326. All right, I'm gonna switch this over to a long, but I want more leverage on it. So let's close that. 25x leverage. And let's go 30. Because if that's a liquidity grab, I can have a nice tight stop loss. This could be good. 40874. Oh, nice. Get a stop loss right below this wick down. 41624. Okay. So we'll do that. And the profit taking is 57. Muse, a good buy range. We'll check it out. Oh, this is for a 10x. Nice. Who would have thought this would be a 10x? So 57326. 57326. So we could grab a cute little 10x out of this if this plays out. We'll have to wait and see. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. But yeah, nice liquidity grab there, and now it's pushing up. PNG is first. PNG. So your entry was down here. You had a great breakout. This thing started pushing up. Now it's finding a bit of resistance for some reason. Probably low time frames. But your first target is 48.35. You break that, 91.53. It looks just fine. You just got back above your 200 daily moving average. Solid. Solid. I would stay in the long. I would stay in there. Oh, your 4 hours resetting while trading sideways? Yeah, worth staying in. Worth staying in. One hour's trying to hold that 50 simple moving average. Nice. Nice. Alrighty. Muse. Not a big fan of that. You're right under resistance. Check Santa hat. Alright, we'll check it out. Alright, so the issue with Muse right now, you're consolidating, but you're finding a lot of resistance at this 13,289. That's a little bit of a problem. while all of your moving averages are trying to push you down, there's still the possibility you could come down to 10, 1, 3, 3, or even as low as 7, 4, 1, 2. And that's solely because you didn't backtest anything. It just kind of shot up. You could argue you backtested this 10, 1, 3, 3. You could argue that, but losing your 50 simple on the 4 hour, it turns into a real task to take it back. So you might have a bit more consolidation ahead of you. What? Are you broken out of your current downtrend here? Actually, that's not your current downtrend. God, this thing's weird. So this is your current downtrend? Yeah, because you had a spike down, you popped up, you double topped. Oh, God. Alright, so current downtrend is this. It's weird. Alright, anyways. If I were trading this right now, I would be looking to short. I would genuinely be looking to short. You hit my nice little green zone, and I would be looking for support at 10, 1, 3, 3. This thing blasted off like a rocket ship, and now it's just coming back down to earth. Checking out the daily, though. Daily's in bullish control zone. It's just at a weird spot because you're not holding support. You're under support. The longer you stay under support, the more likely these lower targets are going to hit. If you can get back above 13.28.9, then alright, all in play, get back to 18.35. Could be nice, but yeah, it's just, it went too high too fast. Way too fast. So, it's going to consolidate. I mean, heck, it would be nice if it tested its 200 daily. Like, it would really be nice at that point, too. You look at Shiba and Doge, they look dang near the same. Yeah, they generally do. The only problem is, like, Shiba's up, what, 7, 8%? Whereas Doge is only up 0.14? Yeah, Shiba's up way more. But yeah, it makes sense. Because, you know, Sheeb was supposed to be the Doge killer. So, of course, people are going to treat it like Doge. Now, the biggest problem I have with this is you didn't get a real bounce back. I guess maybe you did. Maybe. You found support at the 1. That's awesome. Thanks for your input. No problem. When's the last time we checked Brett? Yesterday? Day before? Something like that. It wasn't long ago. Alright, if we can test 1180 again and get a double bottom going, we could see a lot of upside. If we test that, we could see a lot of upside. I mean, like a lot. And mainly, I would be looking at that 50% retrace. I'd be looking at something like this. You could see a 43% rise, giving you a lower high to work with for the downtrend. That's what I see out of Muse. If you can get that, it would look fantastic. But right now, all that really happened is you came down and you backtested the 786. It's really good for further downside. So, be careful with Muse if you're still holding it. Be careful. The profit-taking level was at 22.27. That definitely was the profit-taking level. I don't even have anything marked out above that. Oh, it's because it's like all-time highs. Well, that makes more sense. You hit a low once, hit it twice. You'd expect a higher low somewhere. Expect a higher low. Alright. Let's go ahead and check out Brett. So Brett has made all-time highs. I would be expecting some form of pullback after hitting all-time highs, but that's just me. Let's look at our trend tool real fast. Go from low to high to low. You're hitting the 786. Maybe you get up to 22,947 before you then pull back, possibly back down to test support. We're going to have to wait and see on Brett, but Brett has done a great job. Daily time frame, you are overbought and putting in bearish divergence, so there are people offloading their positions right now. There are people offloading. Be careful on the new month. Offloading is happening. Be careful. Checking the 4 hour. Overbought. Overbought. Bearish divergence. Oh wait, the bearish divergence was back here. So this reaccumulation, reset your indicators just to get the slightly higher high. 1 hour time frame, trying to reset right now. We could see this thing rally. We could. I wish Dogecoin would make up its mind. I really do wish. If it does rally, we could see an 18% rise. Turbo TA? Oh man, you should have been here the other day for Turbo. Dang, now I'm starting to think I should have stayed short. Now that 15-minute looks too juicy. It looks too juicy. You got back above your trend line too. It's giving me all those feelings of like liquidity grab. All right, going down to Turbo. So the other day I was talking about Turbo finding support down here at the 669, and I was looking for a 50% retrace, getting all the way up here to what is it, 88 something. Can't see it. 8672. So far, we're finding a lot of resistance at our 619 at 8152. Daily looks like it still has some room to wiggle around. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour has a high stochastic. You're just, oh man, you're fighting against all these moving averages right now. The fight is real. So we just kind of have to wait and see. But you're likely to go up and test the demand line and likely to get that 50% retrace. From there, we then have to hold support at 7591. Otherwise, we could very well come all the way back down to 6068. So, Turbo's just going through its paces right now, trying to do its best. Currently, you are showing a little bit of bearish divergence, but it looks like you are turning to the bullish side on the 1 hour. So, trend is your friend until the end. And currently, that trend is up. Currently, the trend is up. You can see it right there. So that's Turbo as of this moment. We will see if it'll get a breakout. I think it's going to have a very good month, though, considering you had a very substantial pullback. Very substantial. This is beautiful. And the best part about it all, we can get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Let's just say the low is in place. Then if we're looking at our trend to continue, because this is a significantly higher low, you could see price going anywhere to these levels. You would more than likely, if it stays hyper bullish in this market, look for it to get up to this 15179 level, which from where you're sitting, that could be a 92% rise. For the spot trader out there, it is worth accumulating in this range. It is worth accumulating. All right, Doge bouncing around too much. I don't like that. I don't like that. This gets me to stop trading for the entire night. When there's no decision being made, and I should have stayed in my short. I don't like that. Because I can literally just go to sleep, not be in a trade, and sleep very well. 8.6 is your break even. I think it would be smart to come out and break even and buy back retracement. Yeah. Christian, what is up? Always good to buy a retracement. Always good to buy a retracement. Always. That's basically what I say all the time. If you're constantly chasing green candles, more likely than not, you're gonna feel burned in the crypto space. You're gonna feel extremely burned. So while everyone's FOMOing their way into ADA, XRP, XLM, Algorand, I'm just sitting back and waiting for the pullback. So then I could possibly buy XLM, Algorand, or ADA. But until that pullback happens, I could care less. I know I left XRP out. I'm still not going to buy it. I could care less. Not going to buy that thing. Nope. When I get to sit in a coin for 2 years straight and it's 23 cents, no. I'm never going to purchase that thing again. It had its chance. Never again. You said I know I left XRP out. Yeah, no, I know it. No, there's it's weird how a token can do well suddenly, and everybody's like, "I knew it would be the greatest thing ever," and it's like, nah, it sucked once. It'll suck again. Don't worry. Just give it time. Just give it some time. It'll suck again. It's fine. Is the liquidity grab over or not? What are we doing? Sometimes you have to forgive and give in. I don't know if you know this, but the cryptocurrency space has a lot of crypto. I know it's over 1,000. I thought CoinMarketCap would have like a number here. Fuck you mean 762 exchanges? It's crazy. Fear and Greed's at an 81 out of 100. Everybody's greedy out here. Cryptos. We have 2.4 million cryptos. I have other opportunities. Is there really that many? Oh my god. Doge looks bullish, to be honest, but I think it'll touch 41.5 and come back up. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Or hold support. We'll see. We'll see. I'm willing to let it stop me out now. I think this was a liquidity grab, but it's just... I guess the traders need to figure that out. I don't know. You would have guessed higher? Well, to be fair, it does say plus. 2.4 million plus. So maybe it is higher. I don't know. You think it's only going to 53? No, I think 57's in place. I think 57, almost a guarantee. Almost a guarantee. The fact that we've been just chilling at this level for so long. Half of them were rugs. You're telling the truth there. That's true. Trying to make a quick $50 out of boredom, and the damn thing won't move. Oh, are you talking about Dogecoin? It's starting to move. But Shiba Inu is getting all the love. Look at this thing. It's getting all the love right now. Let's check the 5-minute. Look at that. Look at that. ADA surprisingly moving up. I don't know what you mean by surprising. once again, we're going to more than likely have a very strong day, but if we're gonna get a pullback, Monday. That's the day that it starts. Monday. You've been chilling while Doge with your Doge for years since 2020. It's not bad. Not bad. So yeah, looks like Doge is getting the love again, but Shiba getting the love out here, dude. Getting that love. That's a great retracement. Holy shit. Because it's been going sideways. Exactly. It's been going sideways. I do feel like this is one of the more least productive streams. Just because we're just kind of aimlessly going around in different coins. So normally what happens with this is like when I'm just bored sitting around, I start looking up meme coins. That's why I made a video earlier today about a new meme coin called Wee Wee. It's a very interesting looking coin. Actually, let's see what its market cap is doing. 479. The pullback still continues. The pullback continues. But yeah, there's only 1 billion tokens for this thing. It's at $479,000 market cap, and the liquidity is at 89K. It's kind of surprising. Did you check meme on drop? No. What's drop? I don't even know what drop is, if I'm being honest. Don't even know what drop is. XRP, I meant. There's a meme on XRP now? Who would have thought? Thought the XRPians were above all that. Autocorrect? Nice. Should just do what I normally do if there's no requests. Oh, nice. It's called Army. Oh, XRP Army. Go figure. It's a 52 million market cap. Well, that's too high. I don't like that. That's way too high. Alrighty. So if you guys want to know what I normally do when I'm looking at charts to find howdy, what's up, Chewy? To find different crypto that could possibly be breaking out. So I'll literally just sit here for like an hour just doing this. All I'm really looking for is either what looks like a breakout. What the fuck is that? What looks like a breakout. Or if I have tight moving averages on the 4 hour. This is exactly how I end up getting you guys the different charts that I'm staring at. It's this mind-numbing nonsense. Oh, Alley Gold. Oh, Santa hat. That's right. You asked about Santa hat. Alley Gold looks really good here. I like Alley Gold right there. Anyways, Santa hat. So it's on Sol? That's what you're talking about? What do you want me to do with this chart, though? It's up, that's for sure. On the new day, you're up 45%. That's great. Thought ABT investing in gold because China found hella in a cave. Yeah, I saw that news. What site are you using? This is TradingView. TradingView. And they have Cyber Monday deals going on right now. It's a new meme? Oh, okay. Well, hey, it's going.
Can you done streaming.
Okay. Hey, walk the dog.
Right now? Okay.
Right now. But yeah, this bad boy, it's up there. You had your pullback, and then it just started shooting up. I guess see where it goes. I think the winner of the night is Shiba Inu though. Or Shiba might be up like 50% by morning. Shiba might be the big winner. XRP guys trashed meme coins for years. Now same guys shilling XRP memes. Man, I love cults. That's true. The main thing I kept hearing when I first heard about XRP was it's the standard. And then it was funny because I was like, so the standard is a stable coin? That's a bad standard. Glad I bought a lot of Shiba. Yeah, SHIB. It looks like it's finally finishing its move. It took months. Took months. So whoever held out for the entirety of that move, good for you. Took months, brother. So long. But that's also kind of why I like downtrends better. They move way faster. They move so much faster. So it's like, I need money tomorrow. Are we going down? Yes? Perfect. You Pumu Shib? Wait, what? What are the chances Shib hits Doge's range? Are you talking about a market cap? Not very likely. I mean, SHIB had its opportunity last bull run. I don't think it's very likely, especially not now. Yeah, and price as well. Price? Not ever happening. Never will happen. SHIB will never. Never will hit Doge price. Never. There's too many zeros. Just, nope. Not happening. The fact that SHIB is worth 42 cents is well out of the range of Shiba Inu. Well out of the range. Shiba to 1 cent, maybe one day in the distant future. We need some hyperinflation to start kicking in, but I mean, woo, that would be tough. SHIB was your first 4x in crypto back in spring. Nice. XRP coming close to flipping Solana. I think a lot of people forget Shiba Inu when it was like 23 cents. It was ranked number 3. It literally was the 3rd highest token ever. Like, longest time, it was ranked number 3. So it wouldn't be weird if it took back its spot. It has a very strong cult. SHIB is fire. Yeah, SHIB's up 9% right now, pushing higher. And we're just seeing if Doge is going to follow suit. Just seeing if Doge follows suit. Doge already had its liquidity grab. We're on a 30x long on Doge. And it's only moved 0.5%. Yeah, your SHIB army. Nice, Johnny. Nice. See, the SHIB army, I don't mind because it's like they lurk in the shadows until all of a sudden SHIB moves. Then they're like, been holding it. It's like, okay, cool. Nice. Whereas XRP armies, like, XRP's my life. It's like, oh, okay. Relax. Hold on. SHIB's a pretty chill token. Yeah, it's not bad. A lot of people fail to realize SHIB is now a fully functioning layer 1, though. Like, they upgraded during the bear market. They are a fully functioning layer 1. They technically are not deemed a meme coin anymore. They are a layer 1. They have a use. Like, and it's a big use. They just need to start getting some developers in there. Yeah, don't worry, Johnny. I'm cultured. Come on, brother. By the way, guys, don't forget to hit the likes. please. Hit the likes. I'm just stupid sometimes. I watched Adoption is Coming. Maybe. I think we're getting more adoption for Dogecoin than Shiba Inu, to be honest. I think Shiba has a chance to run like a layer 1 this time around, which will be very interesting. Because it ran as a meme last bull run. To run as a layer 1 means it has a use case, which also means there's a chance at passive income. I don't think anybody knows how awesome the passive income plays are, but oh my god, they're amazing. They're absolutely. I can't wait to start seeing those things pop up where they're like, we're going to give you a daily return. I was like, I saw one recently that basically was trying to say that, and I was like, oh, wait a minute. I know this game. Bro, Doge will go up because of Elon. That's true. That's true. 1000%. Doge first, then Shib. I don't know if it's going to be first. We'll see. Because once again, Doge, it doesn't have anything building on it. It literally only has Elon talking about it or doing Doge-ish shit. Whereas Shib, they actually have news. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Hex has that if you stake. So the staking is cool, but I'm talking about things like Titano, where you get auto compounding interest. I want those to come back. The auto compounding interest is amazing. That was the best thing the crypto space could have thought of. It's like, do you want 100x while not getting 100x pricing? Here you go. It's like, oh, that's the best. Alice in Wonderland, that was so fantastic. What coin was that on? That was on the Binance Smart Chain. It was called Titano. It's not worth investing in now. It's worth nothing. But man, oh man, if you wanted to just look at your wallet every day and see more tokens, it's like, goodness gracious. Doge is inflationary while SHIB is capped supply. That's true, critical thinker. That's true. But once again, SHIB is now in a different category. It's technically not a meme anymore. Those are usually rug pulls. The compound interest, FYI. That's why you get in early. Hello. But Titano was like the first one. That's one thing you should know. The first one, it's generally the best one. It's not a rug. It's what's going to set the trend. So if you find the first one, first mover advantage, jump in there, hold on to it, just watch and see what happens. IMX moving, you're right. Still 262. 262 target. Grass is moving also. Why aren't we talking about grass? What, you anti-grass? What's up, bro? We're at all-time highs. What are we doing? You're like, I don't even know what grass is. What are you talking about? Yeah, it's on a fresh breakout, though. Grass. Fresh breakout. Fresh breakout. The freshest. It only hit a 619? That's insanity. 28% upside's possible? Sexy. Sexy, dude. So, my biggest disappointment here is Burger. Did Burger just liquidity grab everybody? Did it? Because I am still fucking waiting, brother. I am still waiting. The fact that it's just been chugging along here. What are we doing? Bitcoin rejecting lower prices. It is rejecting the lower prices. It is holding support. This is beautiful. This is great. Doge starting to look a little better. Starting to look a little bit better. Just a wee bit. Will we get that breakout sooner than later? I just want to see Doge go on like God candle mode. You know, just like, ah! That'll be great. Do you think, by the way, retest 91? I wish I could tell you. I don't know. I wish I could tell you. The institutions have their grubby little paws inside BTC right now. So, I mean, it seems like this channel is holding. It seems like this channel is holding. So if this channel holds, we could see so much more upside. It's disgusting. AVAX broke out on the weekly. Let's go, AVAX. Let's go. So Bitcoin is now painting a green candle, but it's looking like this channel is holding. We have two touches at the bottom. We could touch at the top, touch the bottom one more time, and then bye, Felicia. Could go crazy. Allison, you love those caps. Market makers have been holding Bitcoin up. You think so? They're just holding it back? I don't know. Every time I read caps, it's like you're screaming at me. It's kind of wild. I don't know if I'm into it. 100% no up. I think the market makers only have so long they can hold us back. Fun time to be a dog? True. My eyes are shit. What? Oh boy. It could. BTC tends to pump crazy the last 2 days of the past couple months. True. Retail is selling. Market makers are buying. Allison, I don't know what retail you know, but I don't think retail is really like when I'm talking retail, I'm talking the same people you'd see at thrift stores. That's retail to me. That's retail. Y'all talk about retail like fucking middle class putting their kids in prep school. That's not retail to me. I'm looking for like Johnny from high school that you saw him sniff some freaking paint thinner off of a girl's butt cheek at a party and he's trying to give you financial advice. That's retail. That's retail. I'm waiting for those guys. Oh yeah, monthly looks great. That's dumb money. That's retail. Allison, you're starting to understand what retail is. True retail. Because those idiots are willing to take out loans to pump up meme coins. They're great. They're awesome. I did hear that from some guy. Wait, what'd you hear from some guy? That he sniffed paint thinner off a girl's butt cheek at a party in high school? It's kind of wild. Kind of wild. Who would ever do that? God, who would take body shots? I remember I was at a couple parties in college. Girls were like, ooh, let's take body shots. And I looked at her. I was like, you're not fat enough. And she's like, what? I was like, my shot glass holds a full ounce. Your belly button holds a thimble. Get out of here. Thoughts on sushi, short or long term? Go long. Go long. Go long. Throw the Hail Mary on sushi. Are we kidding? Sushi's coming off of all-time lows. Sushi, ooh, go long, brother. That thing should be accumulated. It recently broke out. It looks fantastic. Sushi? Sushi's one of the weird ones too. Sushi, you'll wake up randomly on like a Tuesday morning and it'll be up 50%. Just be careful. Favorite coins to hold for life? Bitcoin. Yeah. My wife's alpha boyfriend won't allow me to buy any more ADA. Wow. Okay. That was a whole sentence right there. That's wild. Too energy consuming. Okay, that's a lot, Johnny. Hold on. Wow, YouTube didn't even post that first one. Or XRP. No. Yeah, no. Once again, I held XRP for like 2 years. It was 23 cents. For 2 fucking years. Never again. Never again will XRP get me. Everybody's like, it's different this time. I love it when you say it's different this time. This time is different. It's said in investing. Ugh. But this time really is different. Shut up. Stop it. Crypto Hound, should have bought more. That's what a lot of people will say. A lot of people will say that. White man that voted for Kamala. Damn, Chewy. Coming out here, brother. So yeah, sushi right now. Your first target's like another 62% upside. $2.09. Second target, $2.76. Real hard targets. You're looking at $4.46, $4.79. If you're like, oh, let's short sushi as it's coming off of its literal all-time lows, you did not learn that on my channel. And don't you ever tell anybody you did. Because there's no way I'd say that dumb nonsense. This is worth holding for the bull run. Worth holding. This looks crazy on the chart. Looks absolutely insane. Worth holding. Anyways. Bitcoin finding resistance. No. Hopefully our Dogecoins can hold us up. Oh my god. You tried taking out a loan to buy BTC when it was 50K, but your bank said they don't give loans for things like that? I could have paid it off already and showed them how to say, yeah, that's true. Sushi is the flat chart you want when you buy. That's true. The NFL contracts helping bit. You know, it could, because I know there are some NFL athletes that want to take their salary in Bitcoin. There are some, just like that one. What was it, mayor out in Florida? He's taking his whole salary in Bitcoin. So it does help. I mean, talk about a way of accumulating, right? By the way, guys, don't forget to hit the likes, please. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, just so I can make that sweet, juicy ad revenue. Please help me out getting to the 1,000 subs. Hit the like button and subscribe if you're new here. Do that. Hello all. What's up, Ray? Odell Beckham Jr., smart man. That's crazy. Odell's doing it? Shoot. ALU, I've never heard of it. Ray, I've never heard of it. There are a couple of NFL players already have gotten salary in Bitcoin. That's awesome. Odell's on the Rams now? Gosh, I really don't pay attention to football anymore. Holy crap. I haven't heard of this, Ray. You're up very high. You are up very high. There's not much else I can tell you. Wait for it to come down somewhere. You've gone in a straight line up. Congratulations. Good God. Maybe you're coming back down to 9343. It's an epic project. Oh boy. Remember, there's no project that's epic. There's just a new project. Big time gaming project. How is it that this is getting all the bids, but all the other gaming tokens aren't? It's insane to me. You are extremely, and I mean extremely likely, to go back down and test this level at 9343. Let's dive into the daily. Did we touch it? No, we just broke out. That's all you did. You're super overbought, brother. NFT asset and gaming info with with AI. It's an OG they've been building for a while. Sweet. So what? They just announced their AI thing? Because this looks like an announcement. That's what this looks like. This looks like a massive announcement, and people are like, "Oh my god, shove my money in." Yeah, big time overbought. It is. It's severely overbought. So I mean, maybe you're gonna get up to this level at 17,052 because you're so darn close to it, but you're super overbought. So gotta wait for some consolidation if you're not already in it. Deal with IMX. Alex Becker talking about it. Wow. All kinds of catalysts. Sweet. But yeah, if you happen to break this yellow line, I mean, 37077. It's kind of your highest target, and then you get to go from there. Yeah, this thing took off. Absolutely insane. Absolute insanity on this coin. 1 hour wants to keep rallying. Go figure. So very likely to test that 17,052. But I would still need that thing to pull back before I could even be like, hey, it's worth taking time to stare at this. It's not. Alright, we have a brand new 4-hour candle. This is a big deal, everyone. Now it's time to see what the best buys are. So, Dogecoin, it was a liquidity grab. That's some bullshit, right? It's crazy. Every few days you come back with a gem. Ray, you should just be here every day. What are you doing? Be more like the lurkers. Just be here. We need you. I'm joking. I do appreciate you coming back, though. It's going to keep ruining for a... Oh, running. There's two ends in running. For a little bit longer, trust. Two ends. Sorry, I thought I hit it. No worries. I'm just really bad at reading sometimes. So when I see something like that and I read it weird, I feel like I'm doing something wrong. So I have to point it out for my own mental state, you know? You know what I mean? I can be a little remedial at times. And yeah. It's nice to know I'm not as remedial as I thought. But yeah, let's smash up the likes, everybody. We got 30 viewers over here with 29 now. Let's see how many likes we have. Compared to the 29, 18 likes. We're doing great, but I'm pretty sure we could get 10 more likes in the next 10 seconds. We could. All you got to do is just click that little like button. I love you long time. Just click the like button. Alright, we're checking. We went from 18 to 21. Let's go, everybody. Let's go! You know, as I watch more streamers and more YouTubers, I don't push sales enough. Do you guys feel that way? I don't push sales enough? I feel like I don't. I should, right? Right? Like, I watch Meet Kevin. And it's like every 5 seconds, he is marketing something. I swear. Whether it be his trading group, his I'm giving you news group, his house hack, his whatever. He's just, God, he's a vacuum salesman. I swear. That guy just constantly going. I watched The Lifer. He's constantly talking about join the 99. Do all this crazy stuff. He's probably getting paid to shill. Well, that's just it. He's shilling his own products. So of course he's getting paid for it. See the pump. Honest. You're being honest. You're right. Scammers. Are they scammers? The bigger you get, the more you will be approached. Maybe. I'm not approached by anybody. I'm out here doing this for free. It's crazy. It's crazy. SHIB is going up even further, almost at 10% on the new day. Absolutely crazy movements. Well, as I've told all of you, I'm a whore. I will take the money. I'm telling you now. I will shill the shit out of some meme coin. I promise. The way I have my chart, it's riding the trend line up like a snake. Well, that's good. Are you on the logarithmic? That might be why. SHIB is a coin that is up the most right now out of etc. Doge, etc. XRP. Well, yeah, SHIB also went sideways for like 3 weeks. So, there's that, Johnny. There's that. SHIB is just doing it right now. But it's also helping Doge. The Doge trade's looking solid. We're up 54%. Not bad. All I had to do was put in that short earlier just to make this rally start. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. I took one for the team. With a $50 trade. I took one for the team. Chewy, it's like being excited about holding XRP at 50 cents for 3 years. That right? Brother, it's crazy. This is why I like your friend Zombie. He is a Pulse Chain YouTuber but will not take any sponsors, so you can trust his views on the market. Don't have a bias. Okay, well that's one thing. I'm still going to take money, I guarantee that. But, yeah, no, the bias thing is going to be really hard for me. That's going to be really hard because it's really hard to say a turd is shiny, you know? It's hard. I'm not very good at that. You saw the video on Pulse Chain? I did see it. But, yes, I did see that. Pepe is doing good. Yeah, it is. It's up 1%. It's out here. It's doing worse than Dogecoin, but hey, it's doing things. I'm not what? But my trans girlfriend insists I buy XRP. That's a boyfriend. That's just so you know. You know, I got issues with the whole trans thing. If you get the surgery to lose the extra appendage, aren't you just a girl at that point? So why would you still indicate that you're being trans? Because as soon as I hear trans woman, I automatically think you have extra equipment. You're a dude. Bro, you the goat. Just saying. Doge ripping. Savage. We're on the 15-minute chart staring at Doge. Get off the 1 minute. Get off the 1 minute. John, thanks for the Doge call. What's up, John? Welcome into the stream. What's up, bro? Where you been? John is here. John is here. Shit, brother. We're up 48% on the trade. Not bad. I'm in your Doge call. I mean, hey. Game is game. You know what? Game is game. You're up 41%. I feel like your leverage isn't high enough. It's crazy. Once again, I went 30x long because it looked like a liquidity grab. That's literally the only reason. Everything in my heart of hearts tells me this thing is going down. So we went long. And yeah, it's paying off right now. It's paying off. Only 15x leverage. It's not bad. But yeah, 57 is our target. 57 up there. Slim ass dog. Slim ass dog. Is that a token? Brian? Is that a token? Alright, everybody. 28 viewers. We have 21 likes. Let's see how this is going. Hold on. It's still 21 likes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ski Mask Dog. Gotcha. Santa Hat saying they're going to 50 million. Oh, Savage. Don't believe the community. Don't believe them. You gotta see their marketing. That's on Goat? What's on Goat? Wait, what? $5. Up 15 soul. Let's go, Savage. Make that money. John, any thoughts on XUSD X What? Hold on, what? What do you mean X Empire? You sold, to be honest, half? I need to, bro. It's smart to take profits. Very smart. We'll check out X. Yeah, we'll check out X. Oh, thoughts on Goat. Hold on. That was actually a request. Alright. Teen. I can't even read the rest of your name, if I'm being honest. This is worse than those things to make sure I'm not a bot. I lost a lot on NFTs. Yeah, I didn't even buy NFTs. I was like, oh, who cares? And then it was like, get the Yacht Board Ape Club. You can go out to parties. I was like, I'm old. I don't give a shit about going to parties. What? Like, bro, I'm about to turn 35 next year. Outside of being live on stream, I go to bed early. Yeah. Now the NFTs are up? Go figure. Let's go to Goat. Goatius Maximus. Goat. So, Goat. I think I need to rechart this, actually. It's so new. You lost 9 ETH? Ugh, on a flower? Gross. Gross. Alright, so let's get these thoughts on Goat. So we have support sitting right below us for Goat. And then below that, it's pretty low. Actually, if Goat ever got back down to these levels, I'd be creaming myself, honestly. That's a boyfriend illy, bro. Wait, what? You just switched from Sol to XRP? Spot. But only because it looks more likely to pump over the next couple days? Then I will switch back. You do you, Rich. You do you. Yikes. Thanks, you subbed. I appreciate the sub. So, looking at Goat. This is interesting here. Savage. I know you love the idea, Rich. I don't at all. I really don't. But I'm not here to give financial advice. You're gonna be your own man, brother. You do you. You do you. So Goat does have a bit of support right here. You hit it once, you hit it twice. Let's see if you hold support. If you can stay above 71,883, Goat could actually be getting ready to do some goatish type things. This is kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. But if the trend stays intact, you could see this thing rally anywhere between 129,291 and 145,317. That's conservative. Reality, because you will be in price discovery if you hit the 786, you're more likely to hit $1.65. So percentage wise, what you could be looking at is anywhere between 63, 83, or 110% upside. That's kind of wild. But noted, that's only if the trend stays intact. With this dragging your nuts on the ground stochastic on the daily, sitting in neutral territory, I mean, there's no way. But just your 4 hours fully resetting down here, putting in more strength on an uptrend, probably just going to keep falling. Checking out your 1 hour with the... Oh, is it? You're so close to bullish div. You're so close. If this price comes down just a little bit lower, bullish divergence, would be great. That would be the crescendo on my sarcasm. That would be awesome. Right now on your 15-minute, you're also not showing it, so that kind of sucks. You have a downtrend you got to break out of. That's reality. You have a downtrend right here. If you can break out of this downtrend, then party on, brother. Party on. But as long as you stay above the... What level is this down here? 70338. As long as you stay above that, you're pretty golden for upside on GOAT. GOAT's looking pretty darn solid. H-bar is the way to go, to be honest. Savage. God, really? Damn it, Savage. Murakami flower? Murakami flower. Interesting. You got an airdrop of GOAT? Let's go, Johnny. Just hang on to it. It's an airdrop. You might as well hold it. You might as well. Last week was wondering what it was. Like, what the hell is the GOAT? If you have a Weeks account, you can leverage trade it. So, fun fact of the evening. You can leverage that thing. It's crazy. It's better than that Hawk-Tua girl. How do I get airdrops? Normally you'll get airdrops from holding other tokens. The YouTube algorithm led me to your channel. Well, that's freaking awesome. Appreciate that, YouTube. Let's go. What are my thoughts on H-bar? It's high. Super high. Needs to come down. What's my just flat out thoughts? You're at overhead resistance. You're literally hanging out at it. If you manage to break, 25 cents is the target. 25 cents is the target if you break. Your 15-minute, wow, look at that stochastic. Just take a look at the stochastic right now and tell me that looks bullish. Based off this move here, that stochastic resetting. Is that bullish? With a lower high, is that bullish? Is it? I don't think it is. I think it has a little bit more retracing time in it. Let's go ahead and check the 1 hour instead, though. Your 1 hour wants to rally. You're finding that 50 simple. You've been holding it for a year. A year. So long. So it's the fact that you're finding this much resistance. Noted. Teamwork pays off. Teamwork pays off. That's true. But noted. Keep in mind here, the more often you hit this level as resistance, the weaker it gets. So this thing is, the longer it stays at this level, more likely to get up to 25 cents. If you start to draw down, then your likelihood of getting a back test at 11,544 goes up massively. You can stake H-bar. Is staking good? Yes, staking is great. It's a great way to basically passively DCA into a project. That is why when it comes to like ADA Cardano, people will stake the daylights out of it for years on end. they are not only securing the network, they're also securing a certain price floor. Because no one else has tokens to sell at that point, because you're constantly just staking. You're good. But yeah, no, staking is great for passive income. It's way better than like buying US treasuries. It's way better. So yeah, the longer you stay here, the weaker this resistance gets. And if you get a weak resistance while price is pushing you up, you're likely to hit 25 cents. I'm glad the algorithm's starting to send people here. That's awesome. If you guys could all hit the like, that would be fantastic. Just keep smacking the like, guys. We only have, let me see. Got to refresh real quick. 25 likes and 32 viewers. I feel like we can get to 32 likes. I feel like we could. Maybe you guys can share it on your Twitters too. I don't know. Just do whatever it is you need to do. Go call your parents. Tell them to pull this thing up on their phone. Do whatever's needed. Pull it up on your phones if you're on the computer. If you're not on the computer, go to your computer. All right. Anyways, now one token I was staring at intently was Casper. Casper token has my undivided attention, literally because of this price action here. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this so you can see what I'm seeing. So Casper token, I gave you guys this thing before the massive pump that it went on. If you weren't a part of the community, hey, that's on you. Join the Discord. Dragging your nuts on the ground, sarcastic. Yeah. You'll grow. I'll grow. I'm gonna grow. I'm a grower, not a shower. Let's go, baby. Wait. Did I take that out of context? It's on me. Anyways. So I gave this thing to all of my Discord. I gave it to YouTube. I told everybody about this thing back when price was right over here. Yes, we went through a little bit more downside, but I think the payoff was worth it. Now, we have been hitting higher lows. These higher lows are indicating to me we could see another rally out of Casper. Casper Labs very much could hit this 3048 level. 72% upside from where it's at. But we do have this nice little wedge here that I think we already hit the measured move. I think we did. Based off the lows right there. We did not. Still didn't hit the measured move. Came close. But yeah, that was a 305. Oh, wait. A little lower. There we go. That was a 348% move that we're waiting on. So Casper Labs, CSPR. It does look like it's getting ready for its second leg up. It does. And noted, if we're looking at the trend tool, we're going to go from low to high to low again. And we could very well be seeing, if it breaks this level, a move straight up to that 618, which would be the overhead resistance, and then we could get up as high as the measured move.
Where did you put the patches for Bob?
She has one on her.
I know, she used it.
That was the last one with the large.
I wish I would have known that at Target. He's asking for a new one.
Alrighty. So, this is what we're looking at. Possible 72% upside. As far as where the move could go to. Wait, what? Did we do Brett? We did do Brett. Bro, do you know BTTC BitTorrent? No, I don't. No, I don't. For a second there, I thought you were talking about BitConnect, and I'm like, huh, let's look at that rug pull. But no, I don't. BitTorrent. Interesting. Interesting chart. Where are these moving averages coming from? What the... Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy crap, dude! What? Oh no. How do you gap down that far? The gap down is... Wow. That's crazy. Prime or Orca, please, you pick. Got it. We'll check out Orca. Should have had that. Should have shorted it. Damn. The gap down. Oh shit. I forgot about X. Sorry. I forgot about that. My bad. My bad. My bad. It's my bad, brother. My bad. I know there's more to this thing, right? There no. Okay, no. Yeah, it looks like you're coming down to support. Weekly looks really bad. Looks really bad, John. Really bad. Your daily kind of looks like you're trying to find a bottom. This is nice. So we're gonna mark that out. Actually, no, not that. So we're gonna mark that out right there. We're gonna stay focused on that, because if that holds, a nice little retracement could happen. But this is a much higher low, so the trend is your friend till the end. So this thing possibly, just possibly, wow, could see a rally. I would guess that 50% retrace, 47469. I would guess that 50% retrace if the trend is staying intact. So bullish times call for bullish calls. That's 141% upside. But it does look like it's trying to bottom out right now. You're going to find a lot of resistance at 44016, which, noted, that is only 124% upside, is what it is. But you're likely to just push right on past it, getting up here. Let's go ahead and check your 4-hour. Let's see if this thing actually is bottoming or not. Your strength is pushing up right now. You do have bullish divergence. Beautiful to see that. So it's starting to look like the lows are in. Starting to look like the current lows are in. So you can strategize a very tight stop loss right below this level at 18170. Just as long as you stay above that, you're pretty good. Pretty good. Checking out the 1 hour. 1 hour's reset, trying to get ready to go. Let's check the 15-minute. Your 15-minute wants to rally as well. It just looks like a limp noodle, so hopefully it stops looking so limp. Hopefully. I mean, the ladies out there will tell you that when it's this limp, it's just not any fun. It's no fun at all. But your downtrend currently that you need to break out of is this right here. If you can break out of that, holding it as support, not setting any lower lows, you should be okay. So let's give this thing a test booster and let's hope for the best. That is what I think of X. As long as you stay above this level down here at 18738. Nope. 18268. As long as you stay above that 18268, you should be golden for upside. Should be. But that's where a stop loss would go, so if it goes any lower, forget about it. Thanks for the insight. Greatly help. No problem. No problem at all. Let's check out Orca. It's on Binance. BT. Oh. Orca. Let's go to the KuCoin chart. Let's check it out on the KuCoin. I feel like Gate.io has more info. I feel like it. Yep, it has way more info. We need that info, guys. We need all the info. Some people are like, the exchange is terrible. So it has all the info. The info is what we need. We don't care about the exchange. Information is the important part. You set a higher low. Looks like the trend is your friend. Looks like the trend is your friend. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Do. You're literally at resistance. You're breaking out of resistance. It's a weird little spot. So maybe you're breaking out. This looks pretty solid. You do have resistance overhead sitting right there. You never touched it. Came close. God, blue balls in you. But you maintain above 355.1. Your target's 912. This is a major breakout. Major breakout. All you've ever done between these levels. Straight up and straight down. 150% upside is possible. 150% upside possible. Saying it loud and proud. Your daily time frame doesn't look the best. That stochastic's resetting very fast. However, on the flip side, you are currently broken out. So the fact that you are broken out, you can look at this as a bull flag. So needless to say, you do have a price target where you'd be looking at 561 or 568.1 in the shorter term. So looking pretty darn solid. If you're looking for a short-term little scalp trade, you could see this thing rally 58%. 58%. Looks pretty darn good, guys. It's pretty darn good. Pretty gosh darn good. Alright, everybody. We have 26 likes and 31 viewers. I know there's 5 of you out there. Touch that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Touch it! Alright. Give it a little snackaroo on the bottom, you know? On Orca, coming down to the 4 hour. 4 hour looks like dog crap on your stochastic. Relative strength looks pretty good. Looks pretty good on the relative strength side. Looking at the 1 hour, it's trying to look more decent. Trying to look appealing. Trying to look dateable. This looks good. Let's go down to your 15. 15 looks like the girl or man you've been waiting for. This looks solid. Alright. Looks pretty solid. Hopefully that helped you guys out. Hopefully it did. Going back to the Doge. The Doge. Doge is now in this tight consolidation range. Frustrating. It's more frustrating because you see Shiba still at 8.9% upside. Just so much chop. So much despair. Sadness! Alright. But going into Sunday, I do think we are looking okay. Maybe we're not going to pull back just yet. Maybe we're going to start seeing a lot more upside in the middle of the night. Let's go Asia. Let's go Asia. Pump our markets. Do you see Doge smashing $1? I see Doge hitting 57 cents. We will see what the future holds. I do not know. I don't have a crystal ball. I can only go off the charts. It's likely to happen because last time we hit, 71, 73 cents? We were pretty close. But then, Elon went on to SNL and didn't bring up Doge. Next thing you know, everybody sold off. Is what it is. We'll see. We'll see. I do think this market is going to be higher and this bull run is going to be bigger than anyone expects. It's going to be way bigger than other bull runs. And that's solely because institutions have absolutely shot Bitcoin to the moon. And they're going to keep doing it because MicroStrategy their valuation went to all-time highs, better than the dot-com bubble. So you kind of gotta notice how a lot of different companies worldwide are gonna keep doing the same thing. And I'm pretty sure, I think it's Japan, one company's doing the micro strategy, and yeah, they're the most profitable company in all of Japan in the past year. They even outperformed MicroStrategy. I forgot what the company was called, but there's one that's doing what MicroStrategy is doing, and they're like, "Oh my gosh, we just only make money now. This is crazy. It's kind of insane." So a lot of other smaller companies are going to try doing the exact same thing with whatever money they can get their hands on, and couple this with the interest rates coming down. Last time we saw a financial crisis as bad was 2008, and that burst Bitcoin. So you have to expect what Bitcoin did leading up to the newest financial crisis. It might do it again. So remember, this time's not different. It might be history repeating itself. It just might be. So some people might say, "Oh, you're too bearish, you're too whatever." No, I'm realistic. But also understand, I'm really realistic. Like, realistically, we could see Bitcoin do astronomically better than anyone understands. Considering on retail investment alone, it went from 5 cents to 69,000 before institutions openly were adopting it. What do you think happens when these institutions touch it? It's going to be a little crazy. So say a company adopts Shiba. Could it reach $5? No. The circulating supply is too big. Like, it's way too big. What do they have? 100 trillion? They will have to burn non-stop. Otherwise, you need like the capacity of the entire stock market. Literally the entire stock market. And then some. Because I think our whole stock market, maybe it's around 100 trillion. Yeah, maybe. But yeah, that market cap would have to hit 100 trillion. Like, it's... yeah, that's to hit $1. Oh, shit. So 500 trillion? That's a lot. How do you burn tokens? I mean, technically speaking, they're not truly burnt. Some people are talking about, like, they're worried about quantum computers ripping apart the blockchain and stuff. I'm more worried quantum computers are going to hack into these burn wallets. All that you do when you burn a token, you're sending it to a wallet that people do not have the catchphrases to. So technically speaking, those coins are still around. They're just in a wallet nobody can get into. But if a quantum computer can hack into it, those coins became available. 100%, I think BTC will just keep going. Remember, most institutions are not in yet, nor are the nations. That's true. They're not. One case goes to $1 if inflation hits through the roof. I mean, maybe, but we need to get super hyperinflation. I don't think the US is going to go into that crazy hyperinflation, and that's solely because our military is too strong. It's literally just too strong. People want to talk about, oh, well, maybe China, maybe these drones, maybe it's like, no. The world has to run simulations on if the world attacks the United States. So I think our military is just slightly too strong. And then if they do try to invade the homeland, well, now you're going to have to deal with the citizens who are like, get off my lawn. It turned into a real problem. And then somebody's going to be like, oh, but you can't really account for X, Y, Z, whatever. It's like, bro, we were in a war in Afghanistan, Iraq, Iran, whatever, for 20 years. They had Jeeps and AK-47s. Like, they had less than we have at home. You kidding me? Good luck to another country trying to invade our country. And that's all we really have to keep in mind. America probably won't have hyperinflation simply because our military. I mean, not to mention, we do have a lot of oil. A lot.
You want this now, or you have some? You have stuff.
I was going to get more of this stuff. Oh. Hoorah! Crypto lifestyle, yeah. The guy I worked with for a year had 2 Bitcoin and lost his seed phrase, so it's gone. I told him to get a copy too. He didn't. This was when it was 2,500. That's rough. But yeah, so that's my idea on why we're not really going to have hyperinflation. The only way we do get hyperinflation is if all the world gets better technology. Get better technology and have us, I mean, compete with our military budget. Don't even, just compete with it, all right? If you look at the world's military budgets, the U.S.'s military budget under Trump last time, $1.1 trillion. We basically give the biggest middle finger to every other country when it comes to military budget. It's unreal. It's actually unreal. So I'm not too worried about the US dollar. I'm not too worried about hyperinflation. I'm more worried we're going to keep having idiots getting elected. That's my biggest worry. We're going to keep getting these dumb people like Gavin Newsom who could walk into the governorship with $22 billion in surplus, and now we're in a deficit at $28 billion. How did you do that? That's so much money, and you did nothing better, and you raised our taxes. What? Like, he is your tenant also? Dang. You guys got me on a weird rant. I'm gonna stop that now. You guys got me on a weird rant. I swear. We're supposed to be looking at charts, guys. Absolutely amazing, everyone. Thank you so much for the likes. We have 30 viewers and 32 likes. This is absolutely insane. Thank you. How we get more likes than viewers? Looks like we got some fall off around here. Anyways. Alright guys, so pretty much in the markets right now, things are looking like they're trading sideways at the moment. I'm going to get on off of here. I already went on to a weird tangent about the US military, which kind of doesn't make any sense for when it comes to all the crypto stuff. But Shiba, pretty solid, up 9.2%. Dogecoin up 1.2%. I'm going to try leaving this long in, so hopefully it takes off. I'm thinking it will. If we look at the 1 hour, the 1 hour does want to do it. But hopefully we don't get another dip. No worries, bro. Well, appreciate you, Savage. Appreciate you. I will be back live again tomorrow. You guys, if you're not a part of the Discord, please jump in the description down below. Join the Discord. And look out for any videos that I post. They're always great. Inshallah. What? Shallah. God damn it. Inshallah. It does. Yep, I got cancer with that one. That's terrible. Alright, so, everybody, hopefully you have a great night. Hopefully you have a great afternoon, day, wherever it might be for you. Take it easy. I will catch you tomorrow. Deuces. Much love. Appreciate you. Means God bless it. Well, Savage, thank you. I appreciate you. Alright. Take it easy, everybody. I'm out.